friends, this is Rashmi and welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I will be sharing you about one of the beautiful lake in Kenya, Lake Naivasha. We took a boating excursion on Lake Naivasha with an experienced guide. Lake Naivasha is a freshwater lake in Kenya outside the town of Naivasha, which lies northwest of Nairobi. The lake is home to variety types of wildlife including different species of bird and high populations of hippos. Lake Naivasha is situated at an elevation of 1884 meters. The lake was very calm. We spotted numerous pelicans, herons, cormorants, ibis, Egyptian goose, fish eagles and many other birds. We also saw several large groups of hippos enjoying themselves in water. The lake is encircled by forest with many number of trees. Lake Naivasha is also one of the primary drinking holes for many animals. We also had the pleasure of watching a giant kingfisher catching his fish. The boat ride was nice and peaceful. The scenery here is breathtaking from the moment you take off on a motorized boats with life jackets. Lake Naivasha is a heaven for birds and hippos. If you enjoyed seeing our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, friends.
Bro, soldado. Isco, it's all good.